Let's have a look how to install and mount an air scrubber on site. First of all, we're going to look at safety requirements, unloading and positioning of the air scrubber, connecting the air scrubber. For additional information, you can always check our installation manual that we will supply to have more details. Safety. Always follow local safety requirements for using hoisting materials and cranes. Check if the materials can fit the lifting capacity of the module and if the slings are alright. Unloading and positioning of the air scrubber. When unloading the module out of the container, first remove padding materials and secure beams. Pull the module out of the container using the slings that are supplied on the module. When reached 2/3 of the way of the module, a crane is needed to lift the module further out of the container. Before lifting the module into place, mark on the concrete floor the exact position where the module should stand. Then, depending on the size and the weight of the module, lift the module into place. Lifting instruction and lifting requirements will be supplied, and position the module according to the installation plan. Mounting on site, connecting the water and electricity. Connect the PVC pipes and fittings. Use the right glue that is suitable for the situation. Connect the main power to the central box and the light junction boxes. Place the drip trays into the supplied Z-shaped profiles in the roof of the air scrubber. Install the alarm light in a good visible position, for example, central corridor from the house or just outside of the technical room. If you have an extension, connect the pipework according to the supplied drawings. As told earlier, place a rubber profile in between the modules to make it airtight between the modules. Mount the air intake valve and fit the provided strips. Doing all this work always to work safe and according to local legislations. This is the end of the installation and mounting presentation of an air scrubber module. Thank you for watching.